If you are struggling to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, then you are in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to share with you proven strategies that you can use to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube faster. I use these same strategies to hit 1,000 subscribers on my other channel in just a matter of days. And if you watch this video till the end and you also apply these things that I'm going to share with you, you can also hit 1,000 subscribers on your channel fast. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Even before we start talking about how to get subscribers, the first important step, the first important strategy that you need is that you need to stop thinking about getting subscribers and actually start focusing on getting views. Yes, most creators fail to grow on YouTube because they are focused so much on getting subscribers, when actually they should be thinking about how to get views. Here's the truth, 99% of your organic subscribers are going to come from views. Think about it this way, subscribers are actually viewers, they are actually people who have seen you, they have seen your content, they have seen your videos, they have enjoyed it, and they say, oh, let me subscribe to this channel. And so if people don't see you, if viewers don't watch your videos, they're not going to get subscribers in the first place. And there's a saying that a person has to see you about 7 times before they like you. So the more views you get, the more subscribers you're going to get. Let's do this simple math. Let's say, for example, for every 1,000 views, 10 people are going to like you, or 10 people are going to subscribe to your channel. How many views do you need to get 1,000 subscribers? That is 100,000 views. So you need to rewire your mind into thinking about how to get views instead of subscribers. The more views you get, the more subscribers you're going to get. So how do you actually get more views to get more subscribers? And this brings us to our next point. Your thumbnail and your title are the two most important things of your YouTube video. Your thumbnail and your title are the first things that viewers are going to see even before they decide whether to watch your video or not. Think about it this way. Let's say you are selling a product and you make a packaging design for it. If your packaging is not good and catchy enough, people are not going to buy your product. In this case, your thumbnail and your title are the packaging design, and your YouTube video is a product. If your thumbnail and title are not catchy enough, viewers are not going to click to see the product, which is your video. So your thumbnail and title, they must work together to form curiosity. They must spark curiosity and make viewers to ask questions and make them want to click to watch your video to see the product itself. If these two things are not catchy and good enough, people are not going to see your product in the first place. They're not going to see your video in the first place. Make your thumbnails very, very catchy. Use bold fonts and contrasting colors to make your thumbnails catchy, and use facial expressions and curiosity-based titles to cause curiosity. And for your titles, make it conversational. Make it sound like you're talking to a person. Make it connect to viewers. This is what is going to make them to click to watch your videos. First, write it for human beings before you write it for the YouTube algorithm. Those days, you will hear that you need to stuff keywords in your title in order to make your video to rank high in search results. But today, conversational titles are much more powerful and get more views than just keyword titles. So here's a trick. Make it curiosity plus clarity. Make sure you make it conversational, but add a bit of keywords for the YouTube algorithm. After all, if you want to blow up on YouTube, then you need more views coming from YouTube recommendations, not just YouTube search. People get more views from YouTube recommendations than YouTube search. A keyword-based title can help you to get a small amount of views coming from YouTube search, but a title that is more conversational will make people to click to watch your videos, and YouTube is going to recommend your videos to more and more people, and it is going to help you to blow up your video and get more views. This is something that took me years to learn, and I'm sharing it with you in this video. Make your titles conversational. Make it connect with people. Make it sound as if you are talking to them. You can see that it speaks to people and it connects with people, and that is what is going to make people to click to watch your videos. The third strategy to get 1,000 subscribers is to boost your retention. If you want the YouTube algorithm to love you, if you want the YouTube algorithm to be your friend, then you need to make viewers to keep watching your videos longer. The YouTube algorithm loves creators who make viewers to watch their videos longer and stay longer on YouTube, because the more viewers stay longer on YouTube, the more YouTube gets their money. So if you're able to make viewers to watch your videos longer, YouTube is going to recommend your videos to more and more people. The YouTube algorithm is going to love you forever. So the next important thing after packaging, after your thumbnail and your title, is retention. Let's go back to the example I gave earlier. After you have packaged your product and you're able to convince viewers to buy your product, if the product is nice, if they enjoy the product, they will eat it all and they will keep coming back for more. However, if the product is not nice, they might not eat it all and they won't come back to buy it again. The same applies to your video. If your thumbnail and title are able to get viewers to watch your video, the next important thing is to make them watch longer. So if they get the value that they want, they'll watch longer. And sometimes you might have value in your video, but the way you present your ideas, the way you deliver your message will make them to click off early. If viewers click to watch your videos and they click off early, the YouTube algorithm will tag your video as a bad video and it will not promote it, or it won't recommend it to more and more people. Hence, you're going to get low views. If viewers keep dropping off early, YouTube is going to bury your channel and put it in a dead zone. So how do you actually present your content? How do you actually present your ideas so that viewers watch your videos longer? One way to keep viewers watching up to the end is to promise them value, is to promise them something at the end. Like you saw in my intro, I said that if you watch this video till the end and you apply all these things that I'm going to share with you, you can also get 1,000 subscribers on your channel fast. So if a viewer wants to get 1,000 subscribers, they are going to keep watching the video till the end in order to learn or see the value that I'm going to share with them, so that they can also learn the strategies and apply it to their channel and get 1,000 subscribers. Another way to make sure that viewers don't click off early in your video is to avoid long intros. When you start your video, make sure that you mention a pain point and immediately let them know what they will expect in your video. Let them know what they're going to gain from your video. So in the first 30 seconds of your video, don't spend much time talking about unnecessary things. Just cut to the chase. As you saw in my intro, so I mentioned that if you are still struggling to get 1,000 subscribers, that is a pain point. There are a lot of creators who are having this problem and they are struggling to get 1,000 subscribers. And then I went ahead to tell them that in this video, I'm going to share with them strategies that is going to help them to get the 1,000 subscribers. So my intro was short and straightforward, and it is about 20 seconds long. Another way to make sure that viewers watch longer is when you are editing your video, make sure that you remove all the boring parts, remove all the pauses, remove all the mistakes. You want to make sure that your video is fast-paced and straight to the point. If you are too slow or there are a lot of pauses, your video is going to look boring and viewers are going to click off early. The next important strategy to help you get 1,000 subscribers fast is using shorts. Shorts are one of the easiest ways to get 1,000 subscribers fast because YouTube pushes shorts and you can get more views from shorts. Shorts will basically put your channel on a map because it is going to help you to discover and reach new audiences. So if you want to hit 1,000 subscribers faster, then you need to start posting shorts. Your shorts are likely going to get more views and more reach than your videos, and they're likely going to get more subscribers than your long form videos. But you need to be very careful. If you post shorts the wrong way, it is going to affect the views on your long form videos. You're going to get views on your shorts alright, but it is going to hurt the views on your long form videos because you're going to divide the attention of your viewers. Most people just love to watch shorts and others love to watch long form videos. So if you attract more subscribers coming from your shorts who don't like to watch long form videos, then you're not going to get more views from your long form videos and it might affect your growth. So here's what to do. The basic thing you need to do is to make sure that you create related shorts that are related to your long form videos. If you create shorts that are different and not related to your long form videos, they are going to enjoy watching your shorts, but they're not going to watch your long form videos. Best practice is to remix your long form videos. So after posting your long form videos, remix interesting and engaging parts of your long form video and post them as shorts. And make sure that you link them to the long form video. You can inform viewers at the end of the short that the link to the full video is in the description or is in the comment section. And also you can link your short to the long form video when you're posting your short using the related video feature. This is going to make sure that viewers move from your short to go and watch your long form video. Another strategy to help you hit 1,000 subscribers faster is to steal ideas from your competitors. Yes, and it is very, very important. Most creators out there make good videos, but the videos or topics they are doing are just not relevant. What you need to do is to study about 5 competitors in your niche that are doing well. Go to their channel, go to their videos and look for the popular videos, the videos on their channel that has gone viral. Make a lot of research and recreate the same videos. Make it unique and add more value to it. Your video is likely going to get more views and you're going to get more subscribers. So study their thumbnails, study their titles and make sure you recreate something very similar but very unique to you. And as a small creator, if YouTube start associating your videos to big creators, then you're going to start getting more views, more subscribers and blow up your channel. Another way to discover topics that are working or trending topics is to go to your YouTube studio and go to the trends tab. You're going to find videos that are trending. Recreate those type of videos and you're likely going to go viral. For example, this particular video I'm doing, I saw it in my YouTube studio under the trends tab. And I also realized that other big creators in my niche are also making this type of videos. So I decided to also make a video on this topic. So start recreating popular videos from your competitors and you're going to see your channel get more views and get more subscribers. Especially if those popular videos are coming from small creators with 1,000 subscribers or less who are getting more views on a particular video. That means that YouTube is actually pushing that video, or that video topic is going viral and YouTube is pushing it. If you also make a video on that, you are likely going to get more views, get more subscribers, and you're likely going to go viral. If you found value in this video, then give it a like, drop a comment down below and let me know how many subscribers you have so far. And subscribe to this channel for more YouTube growth hacks and tips. If you want to learn how to make professional and catchy YouTube thumbnails and other YouTube related videos, I have a full playlist on that. Click here to check it out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.